Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women's. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling to short wave and curls on hair. Messy hairstyle. Different ideas of spiky hairstyle before spark with undercut. And very stylish ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. light brown, dark brown, black color, gray color. Some ideas, funky colors. And different ideas of base color, light base color, dark base color of highlights. And different beautiful collection of highlights. Blonde color, burgundy color, some ideas, funky colors. And so beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And many much more stylish and beautiful collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.